Did you know you can get free tokens on Binance because of your existing crypto portfolio? Binance Launchpool is a platform on the Binance exchange that provides support for promising crypto startups with the eventual goal of helping drive awareness and adoption for their respective projects by guiding them on how to best launch and advertise their tokens. Binance encourages participation in these crypto projects through staking. Staking is the process of locking your cryptocurrency to support the security and operation of a blockchain network. Staking some of your BNB or FDUSD tokens will allow you to earn free Manta tokens. With staking, this fosters liquidity and community involvement, allowing users to get in on the ground floor of promising projects by staking some tokens. Historically, Launchpool projects have been lucrative for Binance users because Binance users have been able to earn free tokens essentially for staking their BNB and other supported cryptos. Hi guys, my name is Olive Kirote and welcome to ONR. Manta is Binance's 44th Launchpool project. Between January 16th and January 18th, which is the farming period, you can earn free Manta tokens by staking your BNB or FDUSD coins. Manta Network is the modular ecosystem for Web3. Users can build and deploy any Solidity-based decentralized applications on Manta and leverage its technology stack to deliver fast transaction speeds and lower gas fees. Manta's network mission is to drive web adoption by offering an infrastructure environment that brings real and scalable use cases to the market. To read more on Manta, I will leave a link with an article in the description box below. As I'm looking at the tokenomics, the total token supply is 1 billion and the token has an initial circulation supply of 25%. The Manta Network team also plans to unlock the remaining 75% of the token by September 2030. And finally, the token distribution. The Manta Network has distributed its tokens to private investors, public investors, strategic investors, institutional investors, airdrop investors, Binance Launchpool, team, advisors, the ecosystem, treasury, and a new paradigm, also known as airdrop 2. The majority of the distribution is allocated as 21.19% to the community, 13.5% to the treasury, and 12.94% to private investors. If you're interested in earning free Manta tokens and supporting Manta's mission of driving Web3 adoption, the first thing you need to do is 1. You need to have a verified Binance account. Being verified on Binance means you have completed your KYC, also known as your identification process. Secondly, if you don't have an account on Binance, open an account with our link in the description box or use our referral ID while you open your account. If you don't have an account, I will link this video down below to assist you in opening an account on Binance. Once you are ready, you need BNB tokens and FDUSD tokens in your wallet for you to stake. Now, if you don't already own these tokens in your wallet, you can watch this video as well to assist you in knowing how to purchase your cryptocurrency on Binance. Now, if you already own these tokens, I want you to head over to your Binance app. If you're using the web version of the Binance app, go to More. Then once you click More, go to Launchpad and Launchpool. Find the Manta Launchpool. Depending on which token you want to stake, select either the FDUSD pool or the BNB pool. Please note that your rewards will be determined by the size of the amount you stake. The more you have of the coin, either BNB or FDUSD, the more rewards will be allocated to your wallet. PPS, we only have 2 days or less to earn these free tokens on the Binance app. The Manta Launchpool will close on 17th January at midnight, actually 11:59 p.m. After the pool closes, Binance will therefore list the coin and open trading pairs on January 18th. Because of having BNB staked in my wallet, I automatically became a part of the Manta Launchpool. However, I have a few BNB that I have not staked yet, and I want to show you how I will be staking my remaining BNB to earn free tokens on the Manta farming Launchpool. So go to More, click Launchpad, then Launchpool. Once you see Manta, you'll see both the FDUSD pool and the BNB pool. Click BNB because that's what I have in my wallet. See all the details about the the farming / Launchpool. I currently have 0.5 BNB staked in the wallet. However, you guys can see I have 1.03644 BNB that's not been staked, and that's what I'm going to be staking today. Click stake, click max, and then stake. Now I have successfully staked my BNB, and now it has changed from 0.5 to 1.5. The details about the BNB that I've staked: I had a total of 1.5. I staked 1 BNB directly, but I had also staked already 0.5. And if I want to redeem my BNB out of the locked staking account, you go to your own wallet and redeem. So far, I have 0.2898 Manta rewards. That's how you do it. As we wrap up this video, guys, I'd like to remind you this opportunity of earning free Manta tokens will only be available between 16th January and 17th January midnight. That time frame is the only time frame you have to stake your BNB or FDUSD tokens to earn free Manta tokens. As from January 18th, the coin will be listed by Binance and trading will occur. Now, if you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, Binance, launch pools, or how to invest in this space, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I want to officially invite you to our live webinar training in partnership with Binance on January 24th this month from 7 to 8 p.m. This event is free. Fill in the form in the description box below. To know how to buy your crypto or how to start earning on Binance, I want you to watch this video, check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.